Motherfucker. We got tangos right here. What? We got tangos right here. Motherfucker, where is that coming from? Oh, I think it's just ricochet.
Hey, up on the bridge, there's a fucker that's like speed softening like a cunt. He's just camping.
Alright.
Oh, stop it, fuck.
Man.
Hey, post this on YouTube. Hey, I'm out. Post this on YouTube. Go behind me, really? Coming out. I'm out. Stop following me. Coming out. I'm dead.
Where's the kid that's right there? Hey, kid! Hey!
Small kid, what happened?
It's just not even 10 feet. He bang. So I was going to shoot him. So.
That's far as hell.
Yeah, I know. Bang.
Oh, sorry. I didn't make it.
Sorry about that. Glad you missed me.
I must be on ammo too.
Motherfucker. Good one.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Hey, who wants to follow me? looking over here.
I was like, fucking, you can shoot at me, I'll shoot at you.
That's up, man. We're calm. It's too close to a spawn. Covering. You good? Calm. You're back.
Hit my hood.
That was pretty solid.
Fine.
Just you just push down.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I got you.
4 to 8 sessions.
What the hell are you doing? Stop! You're gonna get Ebola!
Michael.
The next session is $5 for another 4 hours.